Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Isn't it mouth-watering? So as you all can see, today I'm here with a special recipe of chili garlic mushrooms. Also we'll be sharing a different recipe of egg omelette made by husband. So let's get into the recipe first. So here I have took around 250 grams of mushrooms. I'll be using just one box as I was trying this recipe. Saw this recipe on YouTube and just made some variations in it. So here we'll be taking some red chilies. We'll be soaking it in the warm water and some garlic too. We just need 3 to 4 ingredients hardly for this recipe. Washed and cleaned the mushrooms properly, and next we'll be slicing them. Now if you want, you can slice them either way you want. You can slice them horizontally or like this too. Now if you want to check the recipe, it's there on Rajshri Foods channel. It's a big channel actually, so just got an idea from there and just made slight variations in my way. So after the slicing is done, we'll be getting to the recipe. So next, into a mixing jar, we'll be adding some red chilies soaked in warm water, and next we'll be adding it around 7 to 8 garlic cloves. So the red chilies were around 5 to 6 and garlic cloves are around 7 to 8. Add a little bit of water to grind them into a smooth paste. So when the chili garlic paste is done, next into a wok pan we'll be adding some oil. If you want, you can add olive oil too. Next goes in the prepared chili garlic paste to the oil. Add them and saute them very well to avoid the rawness of the paste. Next we'll be adding in 1 onion chopped into medium cut pieces. Add them and saute them well too. Next we'll be adding in some salt. A teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix them well, and next goes in a teaspoonful of sugar too. Then goes in the mushroom. Add them and saute them well. Don't overcook the mushroom. You have to just cook till it leaves the water from it, or you can see it reduces in size. Next goes in 1 to 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce or ketchup. Now after adding the tomato sauce, mix it very well. Now you can feel the sauciness in the mushroom, and this is the perfect texture for the chili garlic mushroom. Toss them well. Now again, got this tip from the same channel. Adding salt after turning the flame off will be better, or else it will soak the water level in the mushrooms or the veggies. So better add it that way. So here's your chili garlic mushroom ready to serve. Isn't it a very simple recipe? And must say this was very yummy too. A bit spicy. But if you want, you can reduce the red chilies in it and can make it the way you want. Had made vegetable pulao that day, so served this as a side dish. So mushrooms are my husband's favorite and he wanted to try something different out of it. So he loved it and hope you all will like it too. Do try out and let me know in the comment section below. Moving on to the recipe of my husband's special omelette. Now many of you might have already tried it, but I had it the very first time. So the difference in this omelette is he just sautés the onion with a little bit of salt and pepper powder, and then adds the green chilies and eggs to it. And then the procedure is same just like the normal omelette. So here's the onions and green chilies sauteed well with salt and pepper. Next goes in 2 eggs to it, and we'll be whisking it. Coconut oil or butter taste good while making omelettes this way. And I was simply teasing him that omelette will break while flipping, but it didn't. So here's our yummy omelette ready too. Hope you all liked both the recipes. Do try out both the recipes and let me know for sure. If you like both the videos and the recipes, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.